Hi everyone. Nowadays people are using different types of pregnancy tests by using urine and they are not getting accurate results too. I will show you in this video by using your blood you can try this pregnancy test to get an accurate result. Let me show in this video how to use the pregnancy test by using your blood.
Now let's see how to use the test kit. First wash your hands with soap and make it complete dry. Now let's open the kit. It contains one pipette, one buffer solution, one needle and one test kit. Now let's start to test. Twist the needle which is on the top. The grey color one you can discard it. Choose the finger and now we can use the needle. Pop it out to trigger the needle. Once blood started to come out, use the pipette, place it near your fingertip to suck the blood until the line which is marked in the pipette. Avoid air bubbles. Once it reaches the line, now let's pipette out the blood in the kit where blood has to be placed. Add 3 drops of buffer solution and wait for 5 minutes to get an accurate result.
I hope you watched the video how to use the pregnancy test kit by using your blood. So try this pregnancy test kit and you will get the accurate results. Let me know in the comment section that how it works for you. Thank you.